What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here. Making my rounds to everyone's house, checking out their cars. This is my grandmother's '03 Audi A6. Let's do a little cold start. This thing hasn't moved in weeks. She doesn't drive at all, especially right now during the COVID. Ooh, yeah, she just purrs. You get a little bit of valve clatter right when it first starts, but when that oil gets up there, she's just fine. Check engine light's been on for about 7-8 years. Nobody gives a shit what it means. Cold air. This car has the coldest air, and it's a hot day in Georgia. I've been pressure washing today. And now I'm about to vacuum my damn swimming pool. Oh yeah, washer. And there's some type of oil sensor that's bad. The car has oil, it's just a stupid sensor. Let's take this little baby for a drive. I haven't driven this in a couple of months. It's the benzo. Roach free still. Y'all like all my cheesy decals on the bumper? I was trying to cover up the holes that were punctured in the bumper. So I, just started covering it with bumper stickers. Isn't that what you're supposed to do with an old Mercedes anyway? This car is smooth as a damn Lexus, man. Considering, it's got a couple of warning lights on and it's 17 years old. It gets an oil change about every 2 years. Let's see. The oil change sticker up here. Alright, how many miles do we have on the car? Okay, we got 139,663. The oil is due at 144,075 in July of 19. So that just goes to tell you how very little this car is driven. I mean, not driven. Probably need to change oil anyway due to age. Got cars are coming. Cars are coming. All right. Got some creaky leather seats. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Any of y'all out in the streets rioting, setting things on fire? Comment below if you are. Hit like, subscribe. Always just uploading car content. If you're new around these parts. Man, this car is so smooth. It's got a new set of, who makes Ecopia? Are they Bridgestone Ecopia? Man, they are a smooth, delightful tire. They have incredible tread pattern on them as well. I mean, just the grooves and the channels of the tire are just real deep and wide. They pair really well with the Quattro system on this car. You get excellent traction in all weather conditions. Rain. We don't really get snow here in Georgia. We might get a little powder or dusting or something like that. And, it gets in and out of the driveway and just goes about its little merry way. And the car's probably not worth but $1,000 on a good day. It's worth a lot more to us than it is on the market, because, you know, these warning lights would scare the hell out of people. I mean, an oil warning light, check engine light, you know, we've had it all looked at by our Audi mechanic, and it's none of it is anything to worry about. It's all just sensor related. Good old sensors. 17-year-old sensors. Going to get me some Taco Bell for me and my grandma. I hope y'all have a good rest of the weekend. Just wanted to do a quick little drive in the Audi A6. It's been a couple of months. No high speed anything, just a little short trip to the local taco joint. So y'all have a great afternoon and a good rest of the weekend. And thanks for watching. Peace.